Let us see few more TET questions. They have given that 6 times 3x minus 2 minus 5 times 2x plus 1 equal to 4x plus 7. We need to find out the value of x square plus 2x plus 1. From this equation, first we will find the value of x and we will substitute the value of x here to get the answer. So let us solve this problem. 6 times 3x minus 2 minus 5 times 2x plus 1 equal to 4x plus 7. This will become 18x minus 12 minus 10x plus 5 equal to 4x plus 7, which is 18x minus 12 minus 10x minus 5 equal to 4x plus 7. This is 18x minus 10x minus 4x minus 17 minus 7 equal to 0. This is 4x minus 24 equal to 0. X equal to 6. Now we will substitute 6 here to get the answer. 6 square plus 2 times 6 plus 1. What is 6 square? 36 plus 12 plus 1. What is 36 plus 12? 48. 48 plus 1? 49. So 49 is the answer.